Hey there, this is Dan from Instruction. I'm going to show you in the Clever portal how to add resources to the portal. So there's two ways to do this. So if you're looking to add school-wide or grade level resources, you can have them added here to the front page of the main portal. And then you simply click this button right here, which is just a Google form, and you submit that form and we'll add it to the portal. So that's method one. If you're just looking to use a specific resource with your class, so let's say, whatever, this Clever frequently asked questions document was the document you wanted to post just for your class, or you wanted to use a specific resource like Khan Academy or something else like that. You can come back here to the Clever portal. You log in with your credentials. There's the Clever portal. Log in, and then you can click up here on My Page, and then you can turn this on or off to your students. If you are going to turn this on, make sure you title your page with something specific to your class, maybe add a description, and go from there. Now, to add the resource over here, it's real simple. All you got to do is hit Add Resource. You got to be a little bit careful here, though. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to add, typing club or something. Typing club. And what I recommend is you type in student login to whatever resource you're doing, because you're looking for the student login, and oftentimes these things have different logins for teachers and students. So there's my typing club login. I navigate there. All sorts of ways to log in, which is great. So this is what you want to do. And you go back to the Clever portal. So I've got my link. I type in typing club. And again, this is where I recommend that you almost always are going to use this create a custom link. Hit next. Paste in your link like so. Select the category. I'll add it to newly added. And there you go. You can upload your own icon. It's really easy to make your own icon. If you don't know how, you can come down here to Windows and just type in snip. There's a free snipping tool in Windows. Open it. Click new. And I'm just going to take this image here. I'm going to hit save. Save it to my desktop, and I'll say, typing club. Save it. Head on back here to the Clever portal that I was just working on. Upload that document or that image real quick. There's my typing club. There's my link. Ta-da! There you go. Now there's one caveat here, and that would be if your school is paying for something. I know typing club's free, but a lot of things aren't. So if your school is paying for something like Freckle or something like that, you can come in here and you can add a resource like this. You don't need to use the custom link in those cases. If your school's paying for it, you can use the built-in application, and it should work. So there we go. And when you click install, that application shows up in your list here. So again, that's how you add stuff to your page. And again, you can adjust, you can move these up and down, you can delete whole sections as you like, and you can turn it on and off for students. Make sure to adjust your title, and then remember, if you're adding something by grade level or school, just click this Portal Additions button at the bottom. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.